I'm going to show you how to get the acrylic burn that you do with your laser out. As you can see right there by the saxophone, there's around those letters. Just using a simple microcloth and toothpaste. So we'll put a little toothpaste on there, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I'm finished. There you go, completely removed. So I put a little toothpaste on there, rubbed it in really good. Then I took some dishwashing liquid, put a little pin drop of dishwashing liquid on a microcloth, rubbed that around really well, cleaned the whole glass, rinsed it, grabbed another microcloth, and then that's what I cleaned it with. So you don't want to ever use Windex or anything like that. Crystal clear. There you go. No need to buy that fancy stuff, just toothpaste.